I'm K2SO. I'm a reprogrammed Imperial droid.
Switched from the dark side into the ranks of rebels, droid K2SO is ready to join your Star Wars collection with the help of 3D printing. The Imperial droid has been recreated to the smallest screw, with the main feature of the build being elaborately movable mechanisms. The K2SO model features advanced joint movement, which includes fully articulated fingers. A lighting system is integrated in the torso and eyes to spark up the droid that helped to change the fate of the galaxy.
You